Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're going to link an Authenticator now. Make sure you're signed into the account and your phone is nearby. Open the account's security or two-factor section, then choose to add an Authenticator app. Once chosen, the site will display a QR code or secret key. Keep the page open. Open your Authenticator app and pick Add Account, then scan the QR code or enter the key manually. This starts the secure link. Don't close anything yet, because you'll need the one-time code next. Once you've scanned the QR or entered the key, the app generates a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter that code on the website to verify. After verification, immediately save backup codes to a safe place and add an alternative recovery method like a phone number. Make sure to name the account in the Authenticator so you can recognize it later. Also check the app's clock sync option. If your device time is off, codes may fail. Correct time ensures reliable authentication. Complete setup by signing out and signing back in to confirm the new Authenticator prompts you for a code. Enter the app's current code to finish. Once confirmed, store backup codes offline, printed, or in a hardware password manager, and enable device encryption for extra safety. If a code is rejected, first make sure your phone's time is set to automatic and sync the Authenticator's clock. If problems persist, rescan the QR or use a backup code and contact account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.